saw a pretty bird today, only it just pecked away. Poked at me till I could not speak. Transparent thoughts, once opaque. As I went for such a nameless walk, my bolder brain was slightly rocked. I rambled reflections of my friends as the birdie drifted to its flock. This could not be the end. Recollections seem to blend, though I wish that I could stay another day I could attend. Now it's time for me to leave, just before the winter breeze. Too bad then I missed the show. Touch my tongue towards the snow.
I saw a pretty bird today. Can I open up the can? Do I really think that I can change? Watch it fly, fly away.
Pretty bird again, as I witnessed winter's end. Seeds falling towards the snow, may one day have a chance to grow. Oh, that pretty bird today, though it'll never go away. The sky is brighter than it was, now the clouds still seem so gray.
Saw a pretty bird today. And I opened up the can. Do I really think that I can change? When I watch it fly away. Up and scared, I knew that I could change. Watch it fly, fly away.